In this video, we will talk about function operations, specifically perform addition and subtraction in polynomials symbolically. Let's begin with what we already know. We know that when adding or subtracting functions, we combine like terms. Let's have an example. Let's perform the operations on the following functions and simplify your answers. Let's have the functions f of x equals 2x plus 3, g of x equals x squared minus 1, and h of x equals x squared minus 2x plus 3. Let's add first f of x and g of x. F of x is equal to 2x plus 3, and g of x equals x squared minus 1. We can line them up vertically to see similar terms. And then we can perform the addition. We can bring down x squared and 2x since they don't have similar terms. And then we can just add 3 and negative 1, which is equal to positive 2. Now let's have another example. Let's subtract h of x minus g of x. One way to perform subtraction is to line them up vertically, just like what we did in the addition. We will call h of x the minuend, which is x squared minus 2x plus 3, and we will call g of x as our subtrahend, which is the x squared minus 1. When subtracting polynomials, we will keep the minuend, and then we will change the sign of all the terms in the subtrahend, and then proceed to addition. So from x squared minus 1, it will be changed to negative x squared plus 1, and then we proceed to addition. So x squared plus negative x squared is equal to 0, and then we can bring down negative 2x because it doesn't have any similar terms to combine with, and then we can combine 3 plus positive 1, which equals 4. Let's have the same set of functions and subtract f of x and g of x. So we can line them up vertically, just like what we did in the previous example. We get 2x plus 3 as our minuend, and the subtrahend is x squared minus 1. In a similar manner that we did in the previous example, we'll keep the minuend, which is the 2x plus 3, and then change the sign of the subtrahend from x squared minus 1. We can change it to negative x squared plus 1. And then we'll proceed to addition. We can bring down negative x squared and the 2x because they don't have any common terms to combine with. And then we can combine 3 plus positive 1, which equals 4. So the answer is negative x squared plus 2x plus 4. Now here's another way to look at subtraction. Using this set of functions, let's subtract f of x and g of x. Take the minuend x minus 2 and subtract the g of x, the subtrahend, which is x squared plus 3x minus 1. You can line them up horizontally like so, and notice I place the subtrahend in the parentheses. The subtraction symbol, or the minus sign, will be distributed to all the terms in the subtrahend. So we will keep the minuend, and after distributing the minus sign, we will have negative x squared minus 3x plus 1. And then we can combine like terms. Keeping the negative x squared, we can combine x and negative 3x, which equals negative 2x. We can also combine the negative 2 and positive 1, which equals negative 1. So the difference is negative x squared minus 2x minus 1. To summarize, to add polynomials, we simply combine like terms. To subtract polynomials, we change the sign of the subtrahend, then proceed to addition. Or, we can also distribute the subtraction sign or the minus sign to each terms in the subtrahend, then combine like terms.